different for me, different for some other. Variety. Variety means the different format of the data. Data today comes in all type of format, from traditional databases to hierarchical data stores created by end users, and OLAP system to text document, email, meter collected data, video, audio, stock ticket data, and financial transactions. So these are, if I say, different form of data. Let me open a notepad and give the example. Say for example, surely you know about the structured data. That's in the rows and columns format. Now, the next thing is semi-structured data. The third thing is unstructured data. That's no structure, like a para. Now in the structured format also, there is some data. Say for example, if I am having data like hierarchical data, like say I'm having, let me take the exact example, country, there I'm having states, city, then and so on. Now here again I'm having city and so on. So this is the typical hierarchical data, and there are n number of conditions and number of cases where you need to store the data in the hierarchical format only. So can you tell me a database which provides the native mechanism to store the data in the hierarchical manner only? Anyone? Cube. Okay. More native. Just the way we need to store the data. Oracle. Okay. I'm asking native. Means it store the data in that format only. The native mechanism. The inbuilt mechanism. The base mechanism. The data is stored. Surely all of this can support the data. The answer is MongoDB. It's a NoSQL database. Of course, NoSQL will come to later. Yes. So it stores the data into this particular format. The native storage, native capability is this directly. Say for example, if you want to get the data of the second city, of all the cities, you can directly get in sub-seconds, sub-seconds, like that. So this is again one of the format I was talking to you. And another format is tree, or I should say graph. Say for example, a node is connected to B and it is connected to C, something like this, and it is connected to D. So I'm asking two questions now. Applications, you surely have seen the application also, and the name of the database which is providing this. Means I'm quite sure you have used the application for this. Means it would be highly appreciable if anybody can give answer. I'm putting all of you. I'm unmuting you all.
Again, your question, please, Anish.
Sorry, Ahmed, please come on.
Can you repeat your question?
Sure. I'm asking about the data that is in the form of graph. Like there is a node A, there is a
Facebook,
node B, C, D. They are connected together somehow like this fashion.
like social network, so like Facebook. Um, it's a considered graph database.
Ahmed, we didn't get you.
It's graph like social networks like Facebook.
Very
LinkedIn,
good. Perfect. Perfect answer. So can you give the example also how exactly this is used there? Anybody else? No one? Okay. No issues.
So Facebook graph you're talking about here?
Prince, please come again.
So is this a Facebook graph which we have been talking about here?
Yes, Facebook graph is also one of the example of that. I'm talking a little general. So there are more examples like Twitter is also using one graph database. LinkedIn is also using. Let me give you. Say for example, this is you A. Oh, I'm getting in disturbance. Let me put all of you on mute. Okay. So this is A is a user and A is connected to B. A is a friend with B and C is also a friend with B. So there is C will be the second level connection to A and D will be the third level connection to A. So the same mechanism of friend of friends. It can be easily calculated by the graph database. So I forgot to write this MongoDB here. One of the example here, the example typical that's uses. Can you give me the name of the graph DB? Yeah, I forgot to ask this. If you can, anybody knows about the graph database? The answer is Neo4j. It's quite used in the industry. It's quite a, I mean, having this particular capability, that association, A is associated with B is associated with C, some sort of this sort of mechanism is best in this. Okay, so these are the two other examples of the data format. That's why I have covered this also. So apart from structured, unstructured, semi-structured data, this is the hierarchical and this is the tree data. If you, for your tree related work, say for example, if your friends of friends or your second degree or third degree relationship, if you want to find out, if you go ahead in the structured data or even in the unstructured data, in the both of the cases, it's very tough to determine the same and it's very costly in terms of time as well as calculation, and which is very simple, straightforward. In sub-second you can get in tree. And if you go in RDBMS, you might take a minute or more than that for getting the same. Now we have seen